Hello friends, welcome to Active Education Pro. Today we are going to study about displacement. In our last video we have studied about motion, distance, etc. Now we are going to study about displacement. Displacement is defined as the shortest distance between the initial and final position. So displacement is the shortest distance. Displacement is defined as the shortest distance between the initial and final position of a body during its motion. So displacement is defined as the shortest distance between the initial and final position of a body during its motion. Displacement is a vector quantity. That means it depends upon direction and it has magnitude. Its unit is same as distance, that is meter, centimeter and kilometer. Let us take an example. Let us take an example. Let a body moves from point A to B. There are three paths for moving from A to B. We can go from A to X, then from X to B. This distance is 40 meter and this distance is 50 meter. Another path is a semicircular path. This distance is 60 meter. So we see that if we go from A to B, there are three paths, that is from A to X and then from X to B, and this is a semicircular path, and third path is this. We see that the straight path, which is the shortest distance between the initial position and final position, this distance will be the displacement, which is the shortest distance. That is, here the displacement will be meter. If we travel in this way, the total distance we will cover is 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 meter, which is greater than the displacement. So displacement is always will be less than or equal to distance. Let us take another example. Let us take another example. If an athlete runs around a circular field, suppose it is the initial point, he starts running from this point. Let the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter. So the distance covered by him after completion of one round will be the circumference of the circle, which will be equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. We know the value of pi, which is equal to 22 by 7, and here r is the radius of the circle, which is 7. So the distance travelled by him will be equal to 44 centimeter. But what will be the displacement of him? It is the initial point, and after completion of one round he will be here. So this will be the final point or final position. So we know that displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final point. As the initial and final point is same, the shortest distance between them will be equal to 0. So here displacement will be 0. So here we say that displacement is 0, which is less than distance. So displacement will be always less than distance or less than equal to distance. Let us take another example. If a car moves in a triangular field, suppose this is the initial point, a car moves from point A to B and then from B to C. Distance between AB is 3 meter and distance between BC is 4 meter. So the car moves first from A to B and then he moves from B to C. The total distance will be AB plus BC, which is 7 meter. But the displacement will be AC because the shortest distance between A and C is AC. So displacement will be AC. Here we have to find out the value of AC. We know that this is a right angle triangle and we can put Pythagoras theorem here. So the value of AC will be equal to AB square plus BC square whole root over. So value of AB is 3, value of BC is 4. So this will be equal to 25. Root over 25 is 5 meter. So SC, the value of SC is 5 meter, which is the shortest distance. So here displacement is 5 meter. Thank you friends.